Hi guys, if you carry a lot of cups in your Toyota RAV4, the main two cup holders may be occupied, and because of that, today we'll show you another cup holder which can be installed in the air vents. And as you can see, it is conveniently located so you can reach it easily and put it back in. Right now we'll show you how the installation was done and how it works. The cup holder is being held by these two hooks right here, and the hooks have been secured by this plastic stopper, so they're not going anywhere. And besides that, the bottom of this plastic piece actually touches the trim in this area, and one more, this end touches the trim, the dashboard as well. This way it's actually pretty secure, and it should easily hold the weight of the cup like this. And as you can see, you have this plastic piece here. This one is meant to hold the cup in place in case if the size is less than the diameter of the cup holder itself. This piece blocks it and holds it in place. And you can use different size cups of different height, and still even this tall cup still does not block the view when you drive. Right now we will actually take it off, and I'll show you guys how we assembled this one. So I will pull this back and the thing comes out. So as I said, we have two hooks over here which slide in. When you do the installation, I'll show you. When you remove them, you can rotate the hook and it comes out easily. There's one here and one on the other side. And on the bottom we have this thing. This thing can actually be adjusted. The reason for that is this cup holder can actually be used in you have to push this pin to adjust this piece. This cup holder can be used in different Toyota models, that's why this piece can be adjusted. And we actually have two more hooks, different type, in the set, so this can be used in other Toyota models. But in our Toyota RAV4, as I said, these hooks work perfectly, and as I showed you, they hold this cup holder quite nicely. Besides that, we have foam padding in the set. I will actually attach it right now. Use this tape, and it gets installed right here on this plastic surface. This foam pad actually has tape on this side as well, so if you remove this protective film, you can stick it to the trim of the vehicle. You can do it, but you don't have to. We won't be doing that. We'll just use it as the pad so you don't leave any marks on the trim. So I will install these two hooks again to show you how it works. So it just basically slides in, this one and another one, and pretty much installation is complete. Simply hang it on the air vent this way, and there it is. You can also install this cup holder in the middle here. It will also work, but this way, if you put the cup in here, it will block the main display. That's why we think it works a lot better on the side. Another way how you can install this cup holder is you can put it here on the passenger side. It will hold as well. Don't forget to secure these ones. So it works, but there are limitations. First of all, The short cup will probably be fine. It's not as stable in here as you can see, because there is only one point that holding it below. And besides that, the tall cups will actually hit the A-pillar like this, so it's probably not the best way. And the main concern that we have, in case if you get in an accident and the airbag deploys, basically it creates a small explosion. In this case, if you have a cup here, it will likely push it out of the way, and this whole thing flies inside the cabin and basically becomes a problem for the driver or the passenger, because it can injure either. Because of this, we personally think that this location right here is the best for this type of the cup holder. One thing you should keep in mind when you use this cup holder is the fact that these hooks are made of plastic. Under normal usage it should be completely fine, but you should be aware that if you apply extra force to the cup holder, if you slam the cup in there or hit it somehow, these will likely break. And not only these, if you put extra force here, the air vent plastic piece in the middle can get damaged as well. So this is something to keep in mind, but other than that, for the normal cup holder use, it works fine. Another thing I want to add is that this surface here is actually made of rubber, which again is meant to prevent the cup sliding, so it may help in some situations. Overall, the impression of this product is quite good. It is designed nicely, it says rugged here, and it does fit in the RAV4. One more thing I want to add is that in case, well, if you are a shorter person, if you sit closer to the steering wheel, it may be more challenging for you to pull out the cup from these two. In case of this one, it's a lot closer to your hand and it's easy to pull it out and put it back in. I think that's it for our review. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.